Nope, nope, nope. Nice and steady. Good boy. Yes, that's a path where the coyotes go through, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Come on, get your head up. I want to see your head, son. Look at you go right over those shadows like a champ. What a good boy. Hello, birds. Oh, a weed. Look out. That's fair. Good boy. Good boy. Well, the dog sure gave up on that in a hurry. Walk on. It's okay. That was a pretty minor spook for that big a bird. Yep. It's okay. It's okay. It's just Nicky. It's just Nicky. No. Nope. My choice. Let's trot. Look out, Nicky. I think he's gunning for you now. We're going to stay at a nice, even trot. Good boy. No, leave them alone, or leave her alone. You stay back. You can go on without a dog. It's okay. I promise you'll be all right. I don't see any sheep up ahead. No sheep, no llamas, no dogs. So, yay, we'll be able to go all the way around. Good boy. Ignore the dog, please. Thank you. Yes, I'm still back here, in case you hadn't noticed. You'd kind of like lost your attention. Mm-hmm. Nope, that doesn't mean we speed up. Hello, meadowlark. How are you today? Make a nice circle here. Yeah, we're going to bend to the right. Very nice. My favorite song. Love the meadowlarks. Can you bend this direction? Can you bend this direction? That's right. Good boy. Good boy. Let's trot. You can trot and bend at the same time. I'm pretty sure of it. Yes, the other day we turned and went back, didn't we? We're not going to do that today. There are no sheep and no llamas and no guard dogs. Come here and get your head up and stop being silly. I know you're two, but you can straighten your act up for at least a few minutes. Yeah. Good boy. I'm pretty excited that we have a new baby. He's lovely. He's been imprinted. He's already had his first leading lesson. There you go, good boy. But I'm more excited that I rode Tiger loose in the round pen. We often have 5 babies a year, but there's only one time that I'm ever going to ride Tiger the first time loose in the round pen. Nope. I don't care how fast the dog is going. We're going this fast. Good boy. We'll see how he does with the culvert going this direction. He was perfect the other day going south. Now that we're going north, things may change. You never can tell. Nope, nope. Nice and easy. Blackbirds. This culvert has a history. See, it's got a hole at the end of it. I came across it one time when it was fairly new, and it was hissing, or there was a hissing in the area. And there's also a gas pipe through that area, and I was afraid there was a leak. So I called the gas company, and they came out and they checked it out, and they said, no, the problem was that the culvert was full of rattlesnakes. And that's what made it go hiss while I was going across it. It wasn't hissing, it was a whole lot of buzzing. What a good boy. I like that he does not spend his time looking for boogers. And part of that is the difference between a gelding and a mare. And part of that is just the family he's from. They're pretty steady eddies. Quit. Don't do that. Keep going. Good boy. What is that? That's cotton. It won't hurt you. Here comes Amy. Amy, who's wishing we were coming across a big puddle. Being a Sunday afternoon, I did not put my bright vest on, though I should have. And I actually need one that says baby on it. Although he certainly has handled traffic as perfectly as any young horse ever could. just Nicky. Good boy. Nope, no cars behind us. That's fine. Let's walk a little bit. Oh, and we haven't done the most important thing yet. Whoa. Walk on. What a good boy. Let's see if we can walk all the way to the corner. No, we're going to walk because I said so. That's a good boy. Yes, your brother Smokey was looking over the fence and said, I can do that. I think probably within the next 2 weeks I'll have him hitched and start driving him. Annabelle is ready.